Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 55 Trendy Bedroom Styles, a collection of stunning design ideas to inspire your dream sanctuary. Whether you're transforming your bedroom into a cozy retreat or giving it a chic, modern upgrade, these styles will spark your creativity. From minimalist layouts that create a calming oasis to bold, artistic designs packed with personality, there's something here for everyone. Imagine waking up in a serene, Scandinavian-inspired room that feels light and airy, or stepping into a boho haven full of warm textures and eclectic charm. These designs don't just look beautiful, they can also improve your mood and enhance your quality of rest. Beyond aesthetics, a well-designed bedroom can maximize space and functionality. You'll discover clever storage solutions, like beds with hidden compartments or multifunctional furniture that makes even the smallest room feel spacious. Plus, carefully selected lighting ideas will show how to set the perfect ambience, making your space more than just a room, it becomes an experience. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your favorite style in the comments, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Sit back, relax, and let these trendy bedroom styles take your imagination to new heights. Happy watching!